Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the matcha milkshake recipe in Heartopia. So to unlock this recipe, first you need to reach level 11 at the cooking hobby. And then after you reach this level, just go to the NPC Massimo and buy the basic recipe on there. And then after that, just tap on your stove and then just choose this basic milkshake recipe. In here you need to milk and then fruits, and then for the fruits ingredients you need to replace it with the matcha powder, this one. You can get this matcha powder from the NPC Massimo too, and then after that just simply tap start cooking. Like this, you can see it, you will successfully unlock the matcha milkshake recipe in Heartopia, and it will add it to your collections like this. Like this, it's already unlocked like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.